Oh, it has a basement too. Basement is cool. Let's see.
So this is the hose. We drill the hole through the floor, through the wall, and this is the hose.
So naturally just come down by the
Yeah. So gravity.
gravity.
Yeah.
まあ重力で自然に水が流れてくる。ただホースつけただけと土の中。これが薄い。This is the drain, the water from the rainwater.
From the rainwater. Yeah. So and then optional, right? You don't have to use this. You can just it's plumbed in. You can turn
I
it
see,
on.
I see, I see.
Normal when the barrel's dry.
I see. もし雨が足んないときはこれ切り替えて普通の水道水も使えると。There's 3 tanks there, and is that enough for like using for the whole time? Or
Yeah, it rains most of the winter, and so there's always water, and this fills up maybe 25 gallons,
25ガロン。
20 gallons. I don't, depending on maybe, okay, so twice. If you stop it and do the rinse cycle also, then maybe it's 50, 60 gallons. But there's 165
Ah,
gallons.
165.
Yeah.
So in the winter time is okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Summertime not so much rain.
Yeah. Yeah.
冬の間はほとんど結構雨降るから基本これだけでいけちゃうけど夏の間は雨降らないから結構水道に使わないとダメっていう。So this system is like basically it's separate from the system you have already have for the water from the like water
Municipal water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is separate.
Separate.
Yeah, but
And you
this
can
is
connect.
municipal. This is
I see.
plumbed into municipal.
これはちょっと独立したやつとして普通の水道系統とは別にこれがついてて、まあいつでも切り替えられるようになってて、雨がいっぱい降ってる時はこれ使っていると。
How much does each tank hold again? The barrel?
55 gallons.
55 gallons.
160、3つで165ガロンですね。3個あるから。でこれが20ガロンとかだったというから、まあ結構使えるだろうと。夏はあんま雨が降らないから足りないと。Thank you.